Hello, this is Miss Lynn with Early Literacy Matters. One thing we always talk about with our children is that plants take up water from their roots. One simple science experiment for demonstrating this is to get 3 cups of water, add food coloring, your child can pick the colors, and then slice off the ends of some Napa cabbage and put it in the water. You'll want to put your Napa cabbage in the water and in a indirect sunlight location, because the process you want to see is the uptake of the water into the leaves of the plant. So as you can see, I have 3 cups of water here. The green one did pretty well. The green leaf pulled the green dye up into the leaves of the cabbage. And I picked a plant that had big veins so that your child could see and track where the dye went in the cabbage. And of course, you can do this also with white carnations, anything that you think will show the food coloring being pulled up into the veins of the plant. I chose sort of a pinkish red water and it didn't do very well, which is what happens sometimes with science experiments. Sometimes they don't do well and you have to go back to the drawing board. So that didn't really show any reddish color up in the leaves of my cabbage. So I'm thinking the darker colors are doing better because my blue water definitely shows in the leaves of my cabbage plant. So there you have it, color dye up in the tippy top leaves of my Napa cabbage. That's all I have for today, but be sure to describe for your child the fact that these plants have large veins that pull the water up into the leaves of the plant from the root system. Have fun, enjoy, and I'll see you next time.